Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is no concealer makeup look. Look at this look. Can you believe I did not use concealer? Look at my under eyes. So if you want to see how I achieve this look without using concealer, then sit back. Okay, I've already moisturized my face using my Clinique hydrating gel. And then I use my Essence under eye treatment for my under eye. It's very important to have an eye cream because we have to put moisture and hydration under our eyes. So I've already done that. Now I'm going to prime my face with my Milk Hydro Primer. Primer is very important for your makeup routine. It's going to act as a smooth canvas between your skin and the makeup, and is also going to make your makeup to last for a very long time. So ladies, after applying our primer, we go on with our foundation. Today I am using Becca Skin Love Weightless Blur Foundation in the shade Espresso. So I'm going to use one pump, apply it all over my face. Then I'll use my Sephora brush to blend. So ladies, as you can see, I have already blended the foundation. It really covers all those dark spots. Then after that, I'm going to contour. I am using my MAC Studio Tech foundation. So I'm going to contour around my cheekbone. Since I am not using concealer, I want the contour to be seen. So on my nose. Then a little bit on my forehead. Then on my jawline. So I'm going to blend. You know, because of the lightning, the light that I'm using, because today the sun is not that bright, so you can barely see the contour, but it's really there. So ladies, I'm going to use my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set under my eyes. Remember, we did not use concealer. So I am dipping and then blowing off the excess. I'll first of all leave it on my skin. Then on my nose, my forehead, where I will normally add concealer. Then I will clean my contour. I will use the powder to clean my contour a bit. So I'm going to let this powder sit for some seconds. Then I will dust it out. So while my powder is still sitting, I'm going to moisturize my lips. I am using my MAC Prep and Prime Lip Base. So after that, I will press the powder into my skin before dusting it out. So I'm going to dust everything out. So after that, I'm going to set my contour with a blush. I am using MAC Femme Noir to set my contoured area. We have to be gentle. This blush is so pigmented. You can use a contour powder, but I love using this because of the color. As you can see. So after that, you are going to set the whole of your face with a powder. I am using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. I'm going to take generous amount and I'll start setting. So ladies, after using our setting powder on our face, I'm going to use my Femme Noir blush again as my blush. You know, I use it as contour. I am going to use it to blush my cheeks. It is so pigmented, ladies. Can you see? A little goes a long way. Just want to add color and warmth to my face. Then I will go back with my powder to blend it out. So after that, I'm going to set the whole of my face with my MAC Fix Plus. Then I will let it to dry. So after that, I'm going to line my lips with my MAC Lip Pencil in the shade Courant. And then I'm going to use Sleek Matte Me lipstick in the shade Bittersweet. So we are using our MAC Iridescent powder in Golden Bronze to highlight our face. And then I'm going to set again. Beauties, this is the final look. As you can see, our under eyes is highlighted even though we did not use concealer. So the secret is using a setting powder that is lighter than your skin tone to achieve that. But please don't forget to use under eye cream, because under eye cream is going to hydrate and moisturize your eyes. If not, you will start having creasing and patches under your eyes. As you can see, there is no creasing, there is no patches under my eyes. So under eye cream is very important. Then powder is also important to achieving that look without concealer. Can you tell that I did not use concealer? You cannot tell. Hope you enjoy this type of makeup tutorial. If you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Comment, like, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And then I will catch you on my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye bye.